Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having Ford C-Max generation from year 2012 to year 2019 and you're trying to find the fuse for the power driver seat, guys. You have problems with the seat not working, stay with us, we'll explain where it's located and all that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. So this Ford C-Max, that generation, has three different fuse boxes. One is under the hood, okay, on the driver's side. One is in the vehicle, guys, actually kind of like underneath or behind the glove box, and one is in the trunk, okay. So we need to locate actually, okay, the one that's in the trunk, okay, and let me find something to point with, okay, so I can show you, okay, what fuse we need to check. So right here you have one cover. You go ahead, grab that cover, you pull it out, and here you can find, okay, quite a few fuses, guys. You can see the fuse that we need to actually check here, guys. It's known as a fuse 9. Okay, so let me show you now. Fuse 9. So even if you have an empty fuse, you still count it, okay, and you can see the numbers next to it, but it's really hard to read as well. So you have fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That 25 amp fuse, that's fuse 9. That's for your seat. If you want to see how to test fuse or relay, we have a very detailed video. I'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.